Welcome. In front of me is a Huawei Mediapad T5, and today I will show you how we can record screen on this device. To get started, you want to pull down your toggles by swiping down from the top of your screen. You want to do it, I guess, from whatever, it doesn't really matter here. So once you get the toggles right here, obviously we're looking for the screen recording toggle. It might not be visible by default, so let's see if we can add it by tapping on this pencil. And there we go, you can see it right over here. Once you see this toggle, to add it, you will need to hold it. It will lift up and you can drag it to the top, drop it, and we can now go back and it's accessible to us. Tap on it, gonna agree. It starts the countdown, at which point it's gonna record. So once you're done, you can select the stop button right there and it will automatically save the screen recording to your gallery application. So I'm going to open it up just so we can view it right now. So it's visible right here. And as you can see, it's already playing back. So there we go. That is how you can record your screen on this device. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.